We completely updated the side console on the right-hand side of the driver. It includes now not only the ignition key, the cup holder, and the new electronic hand throttle. It also offers now 2 USB ports to charge your mobile devices. And with a spacious storage compartment below the new side console, there is enough space for all the documents the driver needs to carry with him. And for those of you who ask, but Ralph, where are all the switches gone, which we had been there in the past? Those I can introduce to our next awesome feature, the new keypad. It is replacing the old side console that had never been easy to reach and even more hardly to clean. The new keypad focused now all needed settings in an easy and fast to reach place. And cleaning the cab after a very dusty day becomes an easy task. But that's still not enough. We have done more. The next awesome update is a new storage compartment on the left-hand side of the driver. Because it is no longer only a space to put a cool box or the driver's belongings into, it now also has a rubber strap at the end of the compartment that can hold a big water bottle or everything that fits behind it. And with additional net, the driver can store safely whatever he needs to protect for moving around in the compartment.